So I bent down behind the sign to unplug it, and that's when she bent over and started hacking all over me.
Vape shop owner Tammy Formo was stunned when a customer started coughing on her. The incident caught on video. Formo says it all happened after she asked the woman to leave the store after the customer shared her recent travel itinerary.
And she says, I don't really know what I'm in for because I just got back from holiday. She goes, well, don't worry, I came from a safe country.
Formo said she made the request given the severity of the pandemic.
She said I was fear-mongering, and I explained to her really nicely. I said, there's people that can get really sick with this, and you just can't be in our shop.
Formo says RCMP told her there was nothing they could do about the alleged coughing incident. RCMP telling City News that indeed there was no confirmation that the customer had COVID-19. Mounties adding they're encouraging business owners to work remotely where possible, but they can remain open at their own risk. Formo, for her part, says she's been working to keep her shop disinfected and is offering delivery where possible. But she hopes that in sharing the video that those who should be self-isolating will do so.
You need to stay home. Everybody has a grandma or a parent, or you must know somebody who could die from this, And people have this attitude that it's only a flu. And, if it was only a flu, the city wouldn't be in an economic crisis right now.
In Edmonton, Courtney Theriault, City News.